Hey, and welcome to this video on how to unlock your smartphone using the Unlocky Tool. Now in this video tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to unlock an iPhone 7, but keep in mind that you can use this for any number of different phones. There's about 20,000 different phones that you'll be able to use this tool for. Okay, so the first thing you'll need to do here is enter your IMEI number, so I'll go ahead and do that now. And then once you've entered your IMEI number, you're going to simply click on the Submit button. Now, if you are not familiar with finding that IMEI number, all you have to do to be able to find that information is simply go onto your smartphone, and then you're going to dial *#06#. By doing this, you'll be able to see your IMEI number. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Submit. And now you can see it's going to go ahead and authorize that IMEI number here. It's going to go ahead and verify it. And then you should receive a message here that will say success. Once this pops up, you're going to click on OK, and then you'll need to choose your country and your network provider. So I'm going to go ahead and choose USA for my country, and my network provider in this case is going to be T-Mobile. Now we're going to go ahead and click on the button that says Generate Unlock Code. When you do this, Unlocky is going to work to generate an unlock code based on your IMEI, country, and network provider. So I'll go ahead and click on Generate Unlock Code. Okay, so once that's completed, you're going to get a message here, and you'll see down here there's going to be a button that you can click on that says Download Unlock Code and Instructions. So if we click on this button here, you're going to be taken to a PDF document here, which is going to contain all the information that you need. It gives you the type of device that you're using, the country, the network provider, your IMEI number, your unlock code, and your serial number. If we scroll down here, you can see that it's going to give you the 6 steps that you'll need to follow in order to unlock your iPhone 7. So the first thing you'll need to do is turn off your device. Then you're going to insert a non-accepted SIM card into your iPhone. Turn on the device. Then you're going to receive an activation required message that's going to pop up. You're going to enter your unlock code generated by Unlocky, which is the unlock code that we can see right here above. And then all you have to do is reboot your phone, and you're going to be all set. And that's it for this video tutorial on how to use Unlocky to unlock any one of 20,000 different smartphones completely free. There is no charge to use Unlocky. Thanks for watching this video tutorial, and have a great day.